What's up, guys? Good afternoon. Some massive news here on the Stellar network. Finally, something for XLM to potentially rally behind. Welcome back to the Blockcash podcast channel. Let's talk crypto. So specifically talking in crypto today about Stellar Network launching the first US mutual fund on a public blockchain. Guys, this is huge. Huge, huge, huge. I'm going to read you this article to give you a bit of context. We're going to look at the chart and see if anything is flashing in our favor. So the Stellar blockchain has announced massive adoption news as of today. The first US registered fund to use a public blockchain to process transactions and record share ownership is now available on the Stellar network. So in a tweet, Stellar discloses that Franklin Templeton's on-chain US government money fund, FOBXX, is now available on the network through the Benji Investments app. According to a press release, this is the first U.S. registered mutual fund to use public blockchain technology for transactions and share ownership on the Stellar blockchain. Per the announcement, the fund's transfer agent maintains the official record of share ownership via a proprietary blockchain integrated system that currently utilizes the Stellar blockchain network for transaction activity. Stellar also revealed an exciting milestone for the first registered U.S. fund on its network, which surpassed $270 million in assets under management. The development is significant as it shows the potential for greater interoperability in the financial system by reflecting a considerable integration between blockchain technology and traditional financial institutions. The on-chain U.S. government money fund from Franklin Templeton is a 1940 Act fund that invests at least 99.5% of its total assets in cash, government securities, and repurchase agreements collateralized fully by government securities or cash. Earlier this month, Stellar enabled digital wallet decaf announcement and integration with the global on and off ramp service for digital wallets powered by MoneyGram and the Stellar Development Foundation SDF. On top of that, they are in pilots for the Brazilian real and the Australian dollar CBDC. This is huge. This is great, guys. To get a U.S. registered mutual fund on a public blockchain, that's beyond Stellar, is fantastic. Not just for the space, but for the entire, not just for Stellar, but the entire blockchain ecosystem as well. Now, I don't know, this could change today, but Stellar has not really moved in price. It just flattened out after this market pullback we've had. But Jesus, guys, this is massive, 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 massive. On the short term, on the 30-minute chart, still we haven't seen a decisive movement because of this, but God, this is going to drive so much attention to the Stellar network. I'm very excited about it. Looking at the weekly, Stellar has printed 2 red candles here, one big one on that pullback, but it's not that bad. This is going to turn around relatively soon, and I expect this trend to continue upwards. And Stellar has got some strong resistance around 12.9, 13 cents before just effing runs, guys. Super excited about what's happening with Stellar XLM in this mutual fund by Franklin Templeton. This is a very, very big development and is going to drive a lot of money into the Stellar blockchain. So at some point, it's going to reflect in the price. You cannot hold back that kind of transaction volume, that kind of investment into a public blockchain and not see movement. So expect great things from XLM in the near future. Again, this is not financial advice, guys. Do your own due diligence and your own research before investing. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and support us as we go. And comment your thoughts down below on Franklin Templeton in this partnership with the Stellar network, and where you think maybe this could take the price, where you think maybe this can push adoption for these kinds of use cases in the US. It's awesome to see this. I'm going to check out the Benji Investment app too. It's one thing I've been slacking on that I'd like to dive into, but Franklin Templeton is a very old institution here in the US, and they have a lot of money, and this is big, guys. This is huge. Anyways, take care. Talk soon. Cheers.